Hey guys,
Hello,
you
mic
must have
testing.
seen many
Hello, hello,
videos where
hello.
people use an
Hello,
ESP32 to
problem
play audio,
subscriber. How are
just
you?
like the one
Hello,
you're watching right
fix
now.
problem
I used to
subscriber.
wonder
How
how
are you?
exactly these projects are made. So I've created a detailed guide for you right here.
Hello, mic testing. Hello, hello, hello. Hello, eject fix problem subscriber. How are you? Hello, eject fix problem subscriber. How are you? Hello, mic testing. Hello, hello, hello. Hello, eject fix problem subscriber. How are you? Hello, eject fix problem subscriber. How are you?
First, make the circuit connections exactly as I'm showing you in the video. Once all the connections are done, use a multimeter on continuity mode to check each wire connection thoroughly. This is super important to avoid any issues later. Also, remember, DFPlayer Mini requires 5 volts, while the ESP32 needs 3.3 volts. Keep this in mind when powering up your setup to avoid damage. If there's any part you don't understand, feel free to pause the video and go over it step by step. And if you still face any problems, just drop a comment in the comment box below. I'll do my best to help you out. Let's make this project a success together.
Hello, hello, hello. Hello, eject fix problem subscriber. How are you? Hello, eject fix problem subscriber. How are you? Hello, mic testing. Hello, hello, hello. Hello, eject fix problem subscriber. How are you? Hello, eject fix problem subscriber. How are you? Hello, mic testing. Hello, hello. Hello, mic testing.